welcome to today's vlog. We're going to Hearts on Fire. Last year was the first day I vlogged Hearts on Fire. Well, it's the first time I ever vlogged because I thought it would be super fun. So now we're going again, year 2. So let's go. You excited? Are you excited?
Yes! I see your fingerprints, the work of your hands, it's all in your hands. I see the evidence, leaving nothing to chance, the world's in your hands. So rest in your promises, now I am sure of this, I'm yours. Rise, I will stand as the oceans roar. Let the earth shake beneath me, let the mountains fall.
Hi guys.
I really want to try some fudge.
We're gonna try and get some fudge samples.
How much would I have to pay you?
Oh my gosh, we should do that tonight.
Absolutely not.
I will pay you.
That's a no.
We are at the apple barn. Apple farm.
And
It's just Nemo.
Nemo.
Oh, I thought you were trying to eat it.
Swim. Let's swim.
Fish.
what's anyway?
I wish I could go to Target.
She's my big
Anyway,
Those like
you are a
apple.
Look, guys, I think that we should stick together.
This one.
Stop.
I like this one.
Together.
Emma's my pine to my apple.
Come on, dear. Anyway.
Hey, Michaela, you need to catch up.
Oh my god. Did you like to play Peter Pan?
I want the big Tennessee one.
Tiffany, you light me up like nobody else.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else could. Hey guys!
Hey!
We arrived to our hotel.
After like an hour and a half.
Woo! Woo! And we made a pit stop at
we did.
the Apple Valley.
Yeah, so we saw an Amish person there.
Michaela was going crazy.
Yeah.
We're in Amish world.
We were.
Yep. But we will show you our room when we get registration.
And we get in there. Alright guys, what's up? We are at our hotel room. We're in our hotel room.
It's me.
It's me! And we are at a Motel 6. It's good enough. We're not gonna be here.
It's fun.
We're not gonna be here that much. Ready? Alright, so I'm gonna give
Guys, look at my shirt.
Stranger Things! Haven't washed my hands yet, but it's good. It's good. You wash your hands after you pee?
Yes.
Emma, can you see? Alright, so the tour.
Hello, America.
So the tour of our room. You walk in. Uno bed. Dos bed. There's a phone.
Lamps.
Wow. Lamp.
You sound like me.
There's a TV. I don't know that works yet.
It works,
There's an extra
dude.
bed over there. Oh yeah, there's an extra bed right here.
It works.
Extra bed. Microwave. What is this called? A refrigerator. There's Tiffany.
A mirror.
Here's our bathroom. There's our toilet. It's not clean. There's like poop in it, but that's perfectly fine for us. And then there's a shower that's. Oh, we got a bar soap too. I'm loving the shape of you.
Push and pull like a magnet, dude.
And my heart is falling too.
I'm in love with your body, oh wow.
Last night you were in my room, and now I bet she'd smell like you. X
It is
Factor.
Friday, November 17th. And we are
And
headed 3:58 p.m. We're heading to the island.
No,
To-
LeConte Center to get registered.
And LeConte Center's in the island to register for Hearts on Fire 2015. 17.
17.
I almost said 18.
We're here.
The line, literally, there's like no line.
Just because we're 2.5 hours early.
No, we're not.
Okay.
No, we're only an hour.
Yeah, we're only an hour early.
Oh heck yeah, we don't have to wait an hour.
Look at the view though, it's so pretty. We have like a little river. And really, there's not really that many people here, which is so weird. But, not yet. But we're only an hour early, so.
Well, the door's open. It doesn't start.
Or, okay, well, the door's open at 6, but.
Well, now we gotta cut our way to the front.
What's your name?
Hello.
Kayla. It's my channel.
That doesn't matter. What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla what?
And Kayla and
I'm excited.
What is your interest?
What?
What are you interested in?
I like to pay attention to myself.
I like it, the honesty.
Okay. What's your name?
Kobe.
Are you excited?
No, absolutely not.
That's nice. Watch this. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
That's fantastic. Since you cut mine out last time, I'll do my own interview. Hello, what's your name? Emma Gibby. Are you excited? Yes. Yeah, leave it in this time.
I thought you would be embarrassed, so I cut it out.
No, I showed Allison. I was like, let's see if it.
My thing is like,
No running in the room. But we're gonna run.
we're not supposed to run, but we're rebels. You need a link onto that.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Here's a trash can.
Thank you, Allison.
We ran. He said,
And we say,
No. She went.
yeah, dude.
She ran faster.
No.
I know. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I'm shook, guys.
Yeah, Allison literally ran.
Dude. No, I'm shaking like crazy.
No.
open the door.
All right, so we have 15 minutes until it starts, and it's about to be so fun. And we got front row seats somehow.
Front row.
Which is crazy. So.
And my tweet was on the board, so.
Yeah, and I'm tweeting, but I don't think
and
it's gonna
mine's
work.
like almost there.
Up there.
Follow me on Twitter, Imagery8151.
Follow me on Twitter, Kayla_Bex.
Follow me on Twitter, Tiffany Evans, 4 zeros.
4
No,
zeros.
2 zeros.
All right, so let's get
it.
Let's get it. We are back at the island. We were here last week, so we're about to go get some mellow mushroom because we have not eaten since like 12, and I'm starving.
Break it down. Long part.
We're at Mellow Mushroom. It's expensive. Yeah, we're paying $5 for 2 slices of pizza. I know. I'm kind of. Yeah, no drinks. Tiffany, buy some candy.
Look at the birthday cake soda.
Ew.
That's disgusting. And then there's butterscotch, coffee cake. Yes.
Where's the half-off candy?
There's Skittles and stuff in there.
I love taffy. I like the blues.
Yo, I remember at Wonderworks they have these.
No.
Well, it's like powder.
Yeah. Ooh, but that looks good.
Too much.
I love these.
$2.99. Tiffany! What are you doing? I'm swimming. Don't sit on the floor. No, she's sitting. The floor is long. You're gonna die. You're gonna. Look at her butt. It's like a turtle. I know them all. We're inhaling. I can still see it. Dude, I'm scared. This thing's gonna fly on me. I'm so scared.
You're buying another one?
You look so cute.
Thank you. Hey, now you can get some water. I look like a lumberjack. I look like a redneck.
Redneck.
I just got out of the shower and I'm going out in the cold. My mom's gonna kill me, so hopefully she don't see this.
Hopefully not.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.